Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Slinkey here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn your Twitch clips or just any other clips you have saved on your computer over into TikToks with the simplest way possible. So let's go ahead and hop straight into this. First thing we want to do is open up Streamladder. This website right here is streamladder.com. So after you have that done, you want to find your clip and throw it straight into your inner clip URL right here. Or you can get a local file and upload it, or from Twitch. But with that, you would have to log into Twitch. So the simplest way possible is we want to find a clip. I've already got one right here pulled up with my channel. So let's go ahead and enter clip URL. We paste that in there and just hit get clip. So this should have our clip put in there, which is what that is. And then you just want to hit continue. From here, it gives you 5 different selections: small face cam, split, square, blurred, and full screen. Now, the thing is with small face cam and square, they're premium. So you'd have to pay for the premium version of Streamladder. Now, blurred looks good if you're doing just your face cam. Full screen looks good if you don't have a face cam. But we're going to be using the split for the full screen with the face cam on it because we have gameplay in the background. So we hit select clip there. Now you want to scale this. This is going to be your face cam area. So wherever your face cam at is right here. We're going to scale this to just have our face cam. That's it. Only thing. That's all we want is the face cam. Then you scroll down and hit accept. From here, you want to find your gameplay area. This is putting it on the phone like resolution. So it's going to look perfect for that. From here, you hit accept on the bottom because this is where our gameplay is. This is where the majority of it is going to be seen, what you want to be seen, all that kind of stuff. So we hit accept right here. And from here, we can preview it, make sure it looks good. You can see that our face cam here is at the top. And then we've got our gameplay here at the bottom, which shows the wide majority of it is scaled down, looks good. Everything's a high resolution. And then from here, you want to hit finish. So from here, it's going to be transcoding, rendering, doing all that kind of stuff for the video. This takes like maybe a minute or two. So we'll be back as soon as that's done. All right, we're now back with our video finishing. As you can see, it's finishing up right now. This is what it does. It gets the 99%. And then it rolls over like this. So from here on out, it gives you the result. It shows you the video. You can play it, see how it looks, all that kind of stuff. You can download it and then do another one, or you can get the QR code. The QR code is you have to have premium if I'm not wrong. And from that, it'll send it straight to your phone. But what you can do is you can hit download. And then from there, you have the file on your computer. You can throw that into a Google Drive and then pull it straight over to your phone, all that kind of stuff. Or if you just want to upload it without captions, throw it straight on TikTok from the website. But if you want to do the captions, I'll go ahead and show you how to do that right now. So the first thing you want to do now that you can see my iPhone is you want to download this app right here. It's called Captions. It should just auto caption all your videos for you, all that kind of stuff. So without further ado, let's go and launch that in. So we hit Captions. Hey, you can see me. How's it going over there? We hit import, camera roll, and then you want to find your video. It should be this video right here. So now that we have this video, you want to hit choose at the bottom right, and then you want to hit the bottom right arrow. So now that that's done, you just want to wait for it to generate all the captions. It should be, yep, see, it didn't take long at all. Then you want to place your captions. You don't really want to place them over you because then it kind of looks weird. So let's go ahead and pull that down right here to the middle. It should auto do your captions, should auto set all that kind of stuff. You know how it is. But if the captions aren't right, like the words are off or anything like that, you can hit edit. And then from there, you can change the words. Now, we're not actually uploading this, so I'm just going to show you how to edit it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come right here where it says like. We'll say that's not actually there. And you can just type in blah, 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 blah. You know how it is. So if you don't want that word to actually be in there, then you hit the eyeball right above it and it should just completely remove it. So now that that's done, what you want to do is you want to go to the top right where it says done. And then you want to click send. So you're not actually sending anyone unless you want to upload it straight to TikTok like that. But what I like to do is I like to save it to the camera roll. Now that you already have your video and everything's finished, you should just be able to upload that straight to either TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, anything like that. You can be straight into YouTube Shorts, which is really, really cool. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, you like this tutorial, helped you out at all, make sure to leave a like, a sub, comment, all that kind of stuff. And we will see you guys on the next video.